Hello everyone, welcome to AI Crypto Trader. So today I am gonna introduce you to an application called ITP Corporation. It's an arbitrage trading application. So here um, you can make a daily passive income with a minimal investment. You can start with 100 USDT and then you can start earning on a daily basis. So whatever the capital that you are gonna put in, like let's say you are gonna put in 100 USDT and you are gonna earn 2.5% um, of that capital amount. So this particular platform, it's been there from 2013 and it is originated from US. So recently they have actually rolled it out for the international users. So previously it was only available for certain countries. Now it's available for all the countries, I believe. So here, to start with, you just have to create an account. So you can go to the link that I have provided below and just enter your phone number, then and set a password and registration. That's all. So I already have an account, so I'll just log into the account. So this is the account and the home page. So this is your home page where you can see the deposit, withdraw, WhatsApp, Telegram, download, events, bonus and Thanksgiving option. So basically it's a very simple application. There is nothing intimidating about this. So you have the deposit option, you have the withdraw option, and then you have the quantize option over here. So this is where we are gonna do the trades. And then here we have the team. So the teams are nothing but the people we refer. So it's a kind of an MLM strategy also. See, they use MLM strategy to promote this application as any other trading, I mean crypto exchanges or trading platforms, because they cannot promote it via YouTube or other I mean, when I say promote, they cannot do it by do the paid promotion with the YouTube or any other social media platforms. And then we have the assets over here. Then the mine is nothing but our profile and some other details over there. So to start with, you have to make a deposit. The minimum deposit here is 100 USDT, and you have to use any crypto platforms like Qcoin, Binance, or else Coin DCX, or any of the crypto platforms to deposit that money. So 100 USDT is very similar to 100 US dollars. So you can buy it from Binance. I use Binance personally because the transaction charges over there is minimal compared to other crypto platforms. And you can just click on the deposit, and then you will get the address, deposit address. Just use this address to transfer the USDT. So if it is from Binance, then it will be only one USDT as a transfer gas fee or transfer fee. And once you will get that in within 2 minutes in this account, and then you can start trading immediately. So I'll show you how to trade. So I started using this platform from a week ago, and now it is day 8 of my journey. So it's been more than a week. And you can see the total quantified amount. The total quantified amount is nothing but the amount that we can do the trading for the day. So you can see it is 1654, and right now it is at 1323 because I have already done one trade. And this is the quantitative time. This is the number of trades that you can do in a day. So as a level 1 user, I have 5 trades in a day. If you are a level 2 user, you will get 6 trades, and so on. So I have already, as I mentioned, I have already exhausted one trade. Then this is the earnings from that one trade. So um 8.27 USDT and the total earnings. These are the total earnings from my day one till now. So I started with 200 USDT, and I did that for 4 days, I guess. And then again invested another 263 USDT, and then another 263 USDT, and then 603 USDT. And then along with that, I got some bonuses because as of now it's Thanksgiving in US and other Western countries. And this company is I mean, as a celebration to their 10th year, they are actually giving some bonuses as part of Thanksgiving. So if you are making a deposit of 263 USDT, you will get 263 USDT as a bonus. And there are other few I mean there are other um, few numbers also, I mean amounts also that you can get. So if you click over here in the Thanksgiving, you will get to know more about that. So you can see, over here, if you are gonna make a deposit of 263 USDT to 264 USDT, then you are gonna receive 263 USDT. So you have to make sure that you are gonna deposit in this bracket. If it is 260 262 or else 265, then you will not be able to get that particular bonus. So the same goes for till like let's say 37,023. So yeah, it's a very good bonus program. So I have actually got I would say 263 and then 623, and then if you have received two bonuses in this time, so it is available till um I guess 24th November 24th midnight PST time. So if you are able to get two bonuses in this period, then you will get another 500 USDT as a dinner voucher. So yeah, that's about the application. So there are a lot of speculations running around this application, because as they are doing this bonus program, many of the people are kind of scared about, like, is it a money grab program or something like that. So as normal, it's a trading platform, so obviously people will get scared about these things. Even I am a kind of bit scared, but again, I have taken that risk, so I have invested in this platform. So any like any other trading platform, you have to bear with that risk. So if it even if it is a stock trading or else a normal share market, anything, so we have to take that risk, then only we'll be able to get something in return. So here you don't have any other hard work is happening. You just have to spend around 5 minutes in a day, and you are gonna receive 2.5 percentage of your total capital per day. So that is something I can actually try taking a risk. So I have taken that risk. So I would advise you to if you are investing, I would advise you to invest the money that you can afford, that you can afford to lose, so that it will not be a big issue for your life. So yeah, that's what that's said. I will just take you to the Condes option, and if you are gonna click on the single start ITP quantification button, then the trading will start actually. So you can now see it's starting ITP quantification. So it will not take more than a minute for one trade, and it's like immediate. So the arbitrage program is nothing but the money that we are investing, so they will take that money, that lump sum money, I mean from the group of people, and they buy a coin from, let's say they are buying a Bitcoin from Binance, and at the same point of time from a different exchange, let's say Qcoin, they within microsecond, I mean within seconds, they will sell it for a different price, like very different. When I say different price, it will be minute difference. Like let's say they bought it for example, like they have bought Cardano in Binance. Now they are gonna sell that in some time. Within seconds, they are gonna sell it into a different exchange. Now they have already sold that to Bittrex exchange. So these are the profit. I mean the profit that we are gonna get from these uh, I mean trades. So now they start allocating commissions, and the execution is completed, and you can see the today's earnings has increased to 16.54. So another 8 point some dollars has been added to our account. So this is that simple. There is no knowledge about, there is, you don't require any knowledge about how crypto platforms work, or how the stock market works, or how crypto markets work. None of these are required over here. You just have to click on this button 5 times a day, or else based on your level, how many times that actually lets you to click, you can do that. So apart from that, you can do the referrals to your friends, your family, based on the confidence that you are having on this platform, and then based on their investments and then their daily earnings, you will get a percentage. So for the first level, you will get a percentage of like 12 percentage, I guess. You will get 12 percentage commission from their daily in, I mean when I said their daily earnings, it's not like deducted from their daily earnings, but it's just that a percentage of their um, like a percentage from their whatever they have earned in a daily. So from a percentage will be given to us by company. So then second generation users it will be 4%, and third generation users it will be 2%. So it's like that. And if you have to grow to a different level, for example if you want to go to second level, then you have to have at least 500 USDT in your account, and you should have actually you should have at least referred 5 people. Then only you will be able to go to the second level. So that's it about the basics of this program. And again you can see that overview or asset overview over here. You can see now it's around 2634 USDT available here, but again you might be wondering why it is not available over here in the contest or the trading option. That is because there are few bonuses. I mean the bonuses that I have received is not yet been added to the it is still in pending to be released funds. So if I go over here, you can see to release funds it is 2634. So it is not been released, and there are no flexible funds right now. So whatever was there as in flexible funds, I have already withdrawn it. So um, if I go to mine, then click on to release once, you will be able to see how much time it will take to release. So you can see this particular I mean 263 deposit and 263 refill bonus, that will take another 7 hours and 45 minutes to release. Similarly it will be same for other trades also. So they do have a fund review mechanism with the 72 hours. So any I mean apart from the investments, let's say you are putting $100, 100 USDT, that will be immediately added to your trading account. But if you are getting a bonus, that will take 72 hours. And if again these earnings that the earnings I have received for today, that will also take 72 hours to add to your trading account, but it will be there in your assets actually. So yeah, that's pretty much basic about it. If you would like to um, I mean, if you would like to join this community, you can definitely click on the join link below and then start depositing. And if you have any doubts on how to deposit the crypto, definitely you can comment below and I'll help you, or else you can just Google it out. Like you will be able to find a lot more videos on how to buy a USDT and transfer it to another wallet. That you will be able to get it from YouTube as well as in Google. So you can use any platform like Binance or Qcoin or I mean there are multiple platforms, you can use any of them, but I am personally using Binance because the withdrawal and again the transfer charges are very less compared to other platforms. So I'll give a referral link on that also below. You can just use it if you want, but again I would advise you to take I mean do your market research and then start investing. So you always invest what you can afford to lose, otherwise I don't suggest you to do that. Yep, that's about it. So it's day 8 for me and it is going well till now. Do appreciate the efforts that they are doing for giving bonuses and everything, and at the same point of time I am also a bit kind of afraid, like if it happens, like whether they will go grab the money and go. But I again when I look back the history, what I heard was that they are doing it from some time, like they do give these bonuses on many occasions. So I don't think it's a money grab program, but we will see anyways in 2 days. So if you would like to join, please join now. That is a good opportunity because of the bonus program. Yeah, that's about it. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Bye bye.